Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making baked potato soup. For our ingredients, we have potatoes, salt, bacon, onion, garlic, butter, flour, chicken broth, half and half, sour cream, pepper, and shredded cheese. Then cut the bacon into 1-inch squares. Cook in a large pot over low heat, rotating occasionally. Remove and set aside once crispy. Leave 2 tablespoons of drippings in the pot. Peel the potatoes and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Add your potatoes to the pot. Cover with 1 inch of water. Add salt and boil gently for 20 minutes. Drain, then gently mash. Set aside. Add the diced onion to the pot with the bacon drippings and cook until softened, or about 5 minutes. Add garlic and butter and cook 1 minute more. Then you want to add your flour to the pot using a silicone spatula to stir as the flour cooks for 1 full minute. Then you will add your chicken broth. Then you will slowly add the half and half. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Stir in the potatoes. Then mix in the sour cream and pepper. Remove from heat. You can use an immersed blender or transfer it to a blender in batches. Gradually sprinkle with some shredded cheese and stir until combined. Make sure that the base of your soup isn't too hot or the cheese won't melt creamy and smooth. The soup will continue to thicken as it sits. Garnish with chives and bacon and serve. Baked potato soup. Thank you for choosing Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.